Total Wireless and US Mobile are both prepaid carriers, known as MVNOs, that leverage major networks like Verizon to offer cheaper phone plans. Total Wireless is owned by Verizon, providing simplicity and family-oriented plans. US Mobile is independent and stands out by letting you choose your network: Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile. This is a huge deal, allowing you to switch mid-cycle if coverage is bad. Total Wireless family plans are more affordable than US Mobile. Total Wireless plans start at $35 per month for 10 gigabytes of data, going up to $55 for unlimited data. US Mobile starts at $30 for 5 gigabytes with a flexible pay-as-you-go option for unlimited data. US Mobile perks include free international roaming in over 50 countries and device financing with 0% APR. Total Wireless offers free Netflix on select plans and Verizon Perks rewards for purchases. Total Wireless may slow down your data or deprioritize it after 15 gigabytes on unlimited plans during network congestion. US Mobile only deprioritizes data on its lower-priced tiers, ensuring consistent speeds on premium plans. Total Wireless offers 10 gigabytes of Hotspot data on its unlimited plan. US Mobile provides 5 gigabytes free Hotspot data, with paid add-ons available for additional usage. In summary, choose Total Wireless for simplicity, family plans, and Netflix perks. Choose US Mobile for flexibility and network choice, international roaming, and no data deprioritization on premium plans.